Good evening, Vandals. I'm Cameron Lang, and for my apology video, I chose the United Airlines incident when the company drug a passenger off the plane against their will. And the two kind of pieces that I've noticed with this video are the eyes and the eyebrows for the physical features when someone is speaking to see if they're telling the truth or if they're lying, and if the piece adds to the actual apology or not. And for this, as I've said before, the eyes and the eyebrows are two things that I noticed that were big factors in telling how he really does feel. And I'm going to go ahead and play the video for you guys.
Did you think when you saw that video of a man being dragged off of one of your planes?
Probably the word ashamed comes to mind. This will never happen again on a United Airlines flight. That's my premise and that's my promise.
In the future, if
Just off that little clip right there, you can tell right off the bat, he never was not making eye contact, with the interviewer. As he's talking, he is making direct eye contact. His eyes look very sincere. He feels very deeply sorry for what had happened to the passenger. His eyebrows raise a little bit in deep concern, and he has deep condolences for the passenger that was mistreated. He really never is darting around looking for what to say next. He was looking down at the beginning to kind of process what to say, but other than that, he was making direct eye contact, and the whole time he really felt concerned, and it stays the same all throughout.
no one voluntarily decides to leave a plane based on the amount of money that United is offering,
We are not going to put a law enforcement official to take them off.
Oh my God! Tonight, Chicago officials putting two more officers involved on administrative leave. United announcing all passengers aboard the flight will be compensated for their tickets. Do you think he's at fault in any way?
No, he can't be. He was a paying passenger sitting on our seat in our aircraft, and no one should be treated that way.
Right there, that kind of grimace look he gave really shows how disgusted he was with his company's actions. His hand gestures, all of it, all conclude to him feeling very, very sorry and very real emotions for how his his customers should never be treated that way, and you can just tell that he really means it. And his facial features and physical movements, I believe, really add to the apology. And I just wanted to say again that the pieces that I was noticing in the video were his eyes darting, or not darting, the lack of darting, and the focusedness and sincerity that he had throughout the whole time, and it never changed up no matter what question he was being asked. It was always the same emotions and same physical features that were being portrayed. Thank you again, and I hope you guys have a good night. Good night, Vandals.